Okay, today we're going to be doing the parallel circuit for Tinkercad. So go to Tinkercad, create an account, look for the designs, click create, and go to circuit. Sometimes the create is up here, so it depends on what page you're on. You're going to need a breadboard again, just like the series circuit. We'll need some sort of battery supply, so go to power, and we got potatoes and lemons. I would just get a regular one. Um, But I guess you could go on these. I think you could change them to whatever voltage you want. Um, Today's voltage is 5 volts. So let's go to 5 volts. It's already on 5 volts. And I'm going to rotate this around. I just like the positive on top so that I can just take this like that. And I could take this and put that there. And we're going to be needing 3 resistors. So let's go ahead and get those out. And they're going to be in parallel this time. So let's go to resistors right there. And 1, 2, 3. All right, so there's different ways to do this. But I guess the simplest, easiest way to put them in parallel would be to rotate them. This would be the simplest, fastest way. And then rotate it. And you can put them down here. Doesn't really matter because you're going to run a wire to make it parallel. Oops. There we go. And let's put that one there. Well, I'm going to squeeze this one a little tighter because I need room to put a wire. So, and then if you look, we got to need 180, 470, and 1.2K. So let's go ahead and change them, double click on them. Well, that's supposed to work. There we go. So this one is 470, not K, so change it to just regular ohms. And then this one is just regular ohms, and it's 180. That's the first one. And this last one is a 1.2K. So we can just leave that K there, push enter, there we go. Oops. And that's about it. And to be quite honest with you, it's as easy as this. Positive goes to all 3 resistors. All right, here's positive, right? It comes from right here. And I can literally just do that. And the negative goes to all 3 resistors. And I can just do that. There we go. So this wire, you see how they're all lit up green, is going to negative, and it goes to all 3. And the positive goes to all 3 down here. And that's it. So positive can go this way, it can go down here, it can go down here, and it can go across and go this way. So that's pretty much it. I mean, if you want to spread it out, you can. You can do this, you can do this, you can do that. But now this row does not go down here. So if you wanted to do that, you could, let's say you want to spread them out like every other row to make it look clean. I don't need to do anything here. This already goes here. This already goes here. But this one down here does not connect to here. You see how it doesn't light up? So we should run a wire from here to here and from here to here. Now we're good. And that's the same thing as we just did. The positive goes here and here, and then it goes across here, or it can come across here, or it can come across here. No matter what, all this is negative and all this is positive. Just like our drawing here, all this is positive and negatives right here. All of this is negative. So it doesn't really matter. But here's the thing, we need current meters, and that's going to change things up. So let's put a meter, and we need to put 3 current meters. And technically you can put 4, but this machine actually has current on it, but let's do it anyway. And make sure they're all set to amps. So you see the A, I need to go amps, there we go. Click this one, make sure it says amperage. Click this one, make sure it says amperage. And this one right here, click it, say amperage. And whenever you use amps, see, voltage is easy. We just like touch it to each side and we're done, right? That one's really simple. But this one, we have to break a wire. So for example, this one right here, we'd have to break a wire. This is the main one. And and then make it go through the machine. So it used to go here, but now it goes in my machine. Same thing here. We're gonna have to like really do a little surgery here. So let's put them here, here. Oops. Oh, these are going directly in the holes now, aren't they? That's a pain. All right. I can see these are trying to go into the holes. I guess that doesn't really matter. Well, here we'll do this. We'll do this. All right. So this one right here is positive. So delete it. And I'm going to make the positive go here. Right here. And this is the positive now. I need it to go here. So I'm going to go here and go here. You see how it goes in here, I think? And then it comes out of the machine and goes back here. See, it's got to go in here. So that's like the long way to do this. But it's pretty much the only way, really. That's the first one is done. Now the second one right here. Actually, I should have made this the second one. Delete. So, well, actually, I need to isolate them because all this current is going to go in here and go to that one. I want to know only this one. So I have to isolate them now. So actually, we're going to have to, oops, I don't want to erase those. Let's move this and delete, 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 delete. And let's come up with a new way to do this. Let's go this way. I think we can put them this way and that'll be fine. This way they're more isolated. There we go. Let's delete these. We don't need them no more. All right, so we need the same thing. We need positive all here, but this goes on its way. So here we go. This should do it. So let's go here and we're going to say positive goes in and then it comes out and goes in there, anywhere in that row, because it connects here no matter what. And then let's do this one. I'm just gonna move this one over a little bit. And then this one right here, positive is gonna go in here. And it's gonna come out and it needs to go into this guy. And then the third one, positive is gonna go in here and it's gonna come out. And if you put them the wrong way, I put positives positive, that's good. But if you had it backwards, it'll just read negative current and that doesn't really matter. All right, so now all the positives are still going here, here, and here, right? They're just going through our machine first, see? So all the positives here, now I just need negative here. So I can connect this here to here, and I can connect this row to here, and I just need a negative in this row, so I'll just run it all the way up to there. And that should do it. So if I start simulation, this plus this plus this should equal 42. And it does, 27, 10, 4, add all up, it'll equal about that. So this is Kirchhoff's current law, and it does seem to be working.